Thanks for asking. This is my lip gloss in the shade called Black Cherry. It's my dupe of Clinique's lipstick in the shade called Black Honey. And I wanted to show you what it looks like on me. So I'm not going to use it from the tube. I'm going to use what I have for manufacturing. Here's a little bit on my finger, and I have a mirror here. So here we go. And there it is, a beautiful kind of a red orangey tone, and it doesn't go on as dark as it looks in the tube. It's so beautiful and really creamy, a light sweet scent of candy, and it's not sticky at all. Super hydrating. I hope you like this color as much as I do. Again, the color is called Black Cherry, available at lipcandy.ca.